I'd like to thank all the parents for sending their kids back to school and trusting us with your kids' best interest. We really enjoy having your students back on campus for in-person learning. We believe at this time that in-person learning is vital for student success. We've shown huge progress in learning by having your students back on campus.
We're going to be talking about the meaning of quilts, especially in freedom quilts for Black History Month. And you are making a quilt of your own that tells a story about you and what makes you special and your family special, okay?
Oh no, there's a heck of cheese alien.
Whoa, that is so
These are made in Ghana, which is a country in Africa. Okay.
I don't know.
So now you have your dance moves. You say the keywords when we do the move. Are you ready? Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. Compaction. Pound it. Squeeze it. Pound it. Squeeze it. Cementation.
Glue it together.
Glue it. It's stuck. And for now we just formed a what?
Rock.
A new rock. You're a sedimentary rock, everybody. Congratulations.
People laugh. What about plants, trees, leaves, anything like that? Is that nature? What do you say, Carrie? Very good. Okay, I'm going to partner you up. Jaden and Carrie, I want you to be partners.
Hi, I'm Coach Neighbors, and we've had a great year at Rains Intermediate with our PE activities. We've done several things, played a ton of games, hit a whole bunch of different physical education activities between spatial awareness, lifting and pulling and pushing their own body weight. We've just had a great year doing a whole bunch of different activities, and we're excited to see what the end of the year brings to us, and go Wildcats.
Trying to decide on similes, metaphors, personification, or onomatopoeia. So what you're going to get is you're trying to make a set of cards that are all similes, or that are all metaphors or personification or onomatopoeia.
Your card, yes. See if you want to keep it.